Ain't no way this is his mouth, bro. This can't be his mouth doing that, bro. It can't. It just. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm kind of excited for this one. So I've seen this guy like popping up like so many times on my YouTube page where it's considered as a cover song, but I'm not really sure what he's capable of at this point. So he goes by the name of Taras Stanin or something like that. I'm not really sure, but forgive my mispronunciation of his name. Hopefully I'm pronouncing the name correctly. So that's Taras Stanin. Okay, so the title of this song is called Creepin, right? Weeknd Beatbox cover. Well, I don't know what to expect from this one. I've seen many reactors react to him, so I guess he's doing something phenomenal. Well, I'm from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica, and the reason why I'm doing this kind of reaction is because I want to hear someone new apart from my country, with different music, with different culture, with different lifestyle of living, where it comes on to music. So guys, without further ado, let's see what Mr. Taras Tanin has for us right now. Take a walk.
Somebody said it's all you. Person you for kissing bothering me, and I will never ask you.
Dude, this is magnificent, bro. Is this his actual voice, bro? I mean, like, bro sounded like a mix and master beat, bro. Wow, bro is killing it.
I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know if you burn me. Just keep it on the low. Cause my heart is taking anymore. If you're creeping, please don't let it show.
Dog. This is insanely good, bro. Whoa, this is talent, bro. This is a lot of talent, bro. Damn. Bro, Taras is good, bro. I mean, like, this is quite a shocker to me because there are so much things out there that literally catches my interest, but this one, bro, this one catches me differently.
Oh baby, I don't wanna.
I want to know, how does he even do that, bro? Like, to do something like that, right? You have to have a lot of birth control to make the beat flow correctly, so it won't be offbeat. Like, how does he even came up with that idea, and how does he even came up with this particular beat to make it sound so realistically true, bro? It sounded like it's something where it is just a DJ playing a beat. Damn, bro, this is actual, bro. This is talented, bro.
Oh yeah, think about it when I hold you. When looking in your eyes, I can't believe.
Damn, bro. The different instrument that this man is giving with just his mouth, bro. There's no other original instrument that is around him. Bro, I'm literally impressed. This is impressive. Really impressive. This is really and truly impressive. I'm impressed so much. I've known a couple of my school friends who can do this type of thing, but I'm not really sure if they continue this path. But to see someone who literally does this so clean, so clear, so understanding, it's mind blowing, bro.
And I don't need to know the truth. But baby, keep it to yourself. I don't wanna know. If you burn me, keep it on the low. Cause my heart take it any more. If you're creeping, just don't let it show.
I would like to know, guys. I would like to know, bro. Your throat ain't hurting you, bro? Because if I was doing something like that, bro, I would be so dehydrated because of the amount of energy that this takes up. I guess they never fails when they say professional do professional work, bro. This takes a lot of practice, a lot of time, a lot of mastering, mixing with just the original mouth, bro. Like, this is superbly good, dog. Trust me.
Oh baby, I don't wanna.
Ain't no way this is his mouth, bro. This can't be his mouth doing that, bro. It can't. It just I disapprove this. I disapprove this. This can't be real, bro. I probably there is some music in the background where you have to just catch up with the beat, but it's so not. This is terrific. This is fucking terrific, bro. Bomba, bro. Damn. What the Hey, hey! That was superb. I gotta say, bro, I can bet you have a lot more videos where that came from. But if this video literally do well, I'll be certain to check out some more of his instrument, which is mouth, bro. With his mouth. So guys, thanks for watching. If you guys did made it thus far, remember, leave a like on the video. Also, smash the subscribe button. And also state your suggestions down in the comment section that I should check out next by Mr. Taras here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.